We have posted a tutorial on how to create a single sign-on extension for iOS. Let me show you how it works when the tutorial is complete. I've already installed the app and now I'll open up Google Docs to authenticate. I'll enter in my username and Google Docs recognizes that Two Canoes is federated with our own identity provider, so it opens up the single sign-on extension view and I can authenticate. Once authenticated, the single sign-on session is ready to be used by other apps and websites. I'll open up Google Drive in a private browser window. I'll enter in my username again so it redirects to our identity provider. The single sign-on open window comes up briefly, but since I'm already logged in, it goes away without me having to enter in a username or password. This will work with any app or website that uses our identity provider. Visit twocanoes.com/SSO for the tutorial and more information.